zoom in, zoom out, check at individual nodes, who is who, what are some of the members of the network, what are some others. This is my own network. And it was really a very interesting process, and from that process I extracted some characteristics of the data that were used by the students. Of course, this was in a one-to-one basis, because the Facebook API cannot allow a massive aggregation of this stuff. Every user needs to put in their own credentials, and that generates a security hash, which is then copied into Mathematica and generates a network that you can then interact within the software itself. So from that, really, I was more interested in to see how the behavior of the users relating to their framing in the online networking space may create opportunities for criminal behavior.